sled dogs are fast and strong. They can totally pull us all back. You're a genius, Dakota. We can have a dog sled team. I see a Yeti sleddy right here. Now we just need a couple of Frosty Fields dogs. What do you say, Dakota? Look, it's Ranger Rob and Stomper.
Hey, Rob, can you do the cheer?
I mean, sure. When I say Big Sky, you say Park. Big Sky, Park. Big Sky, Park. Looks like your teamwork got some attention. Congratulations! You all just passed the Frosty Fields Challenge. A good ranger knows it's always best to work together as a team. You said it, Rob. And you know what, partner? I'm really glad we did it. We did it! We did it! We did it! There's just one team challenge left. Huh? Party in the Frosted Fields!
Фильмнің соңы. Фильмні қасайетаған мені күкенік. Аймасы ренжинс, анесі күнар, несі аға, емасын қызы, еманысы тросы илішісіола, биг шарын, бен атрына, шеманасыны қасынығыда ата бол. Қазақстан ұттық телянасы. 2013 жыл.